Joanne Morbitzer, and I'm the food service director with Marysville Schools. Marysville High School houses about 1,500 students. We feed about 1,100 of them every day, so it is a very busy school. We offer breakfast and lunch, and we also operate a snack shop. And like I said, it's a very busy cafeteria. On any given day, we can see 300 to 400 kids in a half-hour time frame. So congestion was an issue. This wonderful new cafeteria and the layout allows us to efficiently move those kids through, and so they have more than adequate time to enjoy their lunches. We had no color, we had white walls, we had gray floors, and we had all stainless steel. Used equipment that didn't fit, it was all mismatched pieces. We had major congestion of traffic areas, and there was just no continuity of flow. Those were some of the issues going in, was to deal with the congestion, and also these are young adults, and we wanted them to have an environment that reflected that, similar to what they'll be entering into college in the next couple years. So we wanted a kind of college level kind of dining experience for them. We wanted to bring color and life and some activity to the space, and they were able to accomplish all that. When working with Tim and Darren and talking about food stations and what concepts we wanted to integrate into this new cafeteria, I had concerns about dedicating a large portion of the space to a salad bar. Tim and Darren reassured me that I was on the right track and that it would be okay. It has been our biggest improvement in the cafeteria. By virtue of the salad bar, we have more students, more staff dining with us every day. It's one of our busiest stations now. I would not have foreseen that. Their ability and their experience in the food service area and their ability to help me plan food stations that were going to kind of work towards an elevated dining experience for our students outside of the traditional school lunch was invaluable to me. One of the things I thought C&T brought to the project, everything was incorporated there. They could see everything from the design element to the equipment purchase to the custom fabrication. We had a lot of custom work done through installation and follow-up. The plumbers, electricians, everything was housed within C&T. I didn't have to go out and hire different subcontractors and deal with different people. Tim and Darren were able to see this project all the way through and help me through all those pieces. We had a really tight time constraint, which they worked really hard, otherwise we wouldn't have made it. We had budget constraints, of course, there always are. And we had some structural challenges with some existing things that couldn't be changed or moved. So those were primarily the challenges. C&T was willing to work with me in spreading out this budget in phases to accommodate those two different fiscal years, and we managed to stay under our budget for the total project, which was a big positive too. And I felt like I got all the extras in the end that I wanted, and everything was still under budget. Kids just feel valued. They see this as a commitment to them, that we would invest this kind of money and time, and that they would have something this nice in their school. They were able to take my vision and my ideas and translate them into a working model that I could envision and could see the concept come to life. It's just been a positive experience all the way. They stayed with me through all the ups and downs. I never felt like I got pushed to the back burner or that my project became second to anybody else's. We were always a top priority to them. And they met all the deadlines that we weren't sure we could make, so that was a big one. So it's been very positive, and I just can't say enough about them or speak highly enough of the quality of the finished product. I would recommend C&T and have to several food service directors just their commitment to the project, their commitment of their personal time, and again the enthusiasm they brought to this project. It's been truly a rewarding experience, well worth the investment, and don't feel the project would have turned out as well with any other company.